I haven't vlogged, I haven't done anything on my YouTube channel for a while, as you can tell. So today is the first day and I'm gonna be vlogging, like I said, my whole prep journey this week. You guys, I meet with Helen, and so we're gonna go over posing and I start dieting. So that's gonna be exciting. That being said, I'm gonna show you my leg day workout today. I've been playing around with a lot of different variations of sets and reps and tempos, and I've just really been enjoying that. So I just finished my leg day workout and I'm just gonna get ready to make my post-workout meal. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite. Poppy, stay here. Our cleaner's here and she likes to stay here. Come say hi. Say hi. Hi. I'm gonna show you guys my most favorite post-workout meal. It is protein waffles, super easy. So I'm gonna show that to you, and yeah, it's really easy, and I'll leave the recipe in the notes below. Other than that, I will see you after the recipe, after I eat. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit that notification bell somewhere over around this video so that you'll be notified when I do upload new videos. Other than that, you guys, enjoy the video. All right, you guys, the first superset that I'm doing is a barbell hip thrust as the first exercise. Now, the most important things you want to remember about a hip thrust is you want to keep that chin tucked to your chest, looking forward the whole time. You want to keep all your weight in your heels and your toes slightly pointed out. Now, with this exercise, I am pausing for 1 second at the top. Yes, this makes it a little bit harder. And my second exercise I'm supersetting it with is mini band abductions. Now, I'm doing 3-way positions. So I'm gonna lean forward and I'm gonna do 30 pulses. I'm gonna do neutral, so sitting up, and then also leaning back 30. So 60 total abductions, and this is a burner, that's for sure. All right, you guys, now for superset 2. I love this one. It's kind of like a bridge thruster, but you're gonna have a mini band on and you're going to bring your knees out to the sides, kind of like making a butterfly bum. You're gonna squeeze your glutes at the top, hold for 3 seconds before going back down. Now, key things, you still wanna keep that chin tucked and your head looking forward the whole time to keep that pelvic tilt. All right, you guys, I supersetted that one with a good morning with alternating side lunges. I love these ones. Now, with good mornings, you want to make sure that you keep a slight bend in your knees as you bend forward, keeping that back nice and flat and your core nice and tight. Now, if you need to use no weight at first, that's totally fine, because form here is really important. All right, you guys, the next one we're doing is a giant set. So that just means 2 or 3 or more exercises. So our first one we are doing are cable pull throughs. I love these target the glutes, amazing. Now, a few key things about this is you want to make sure that when you bend forward, you drive your hips back. You do not squat, you drive your hips back almost like a kettlebell swing. So you want a slight bend in your hips and you squeeze your glutes at the top, still keeping your chin tucked to your chest to keep that pelvic tilt and keep all the weight in your heels. All right, you guys, so for the next, so what a giant set means, you guys, is that when you do these exercises, you go back to back without taking a break until you've done all of them. This next one I'm doing is a goblet squat with a side leg raise, with a lateral leg raise. This targets the glute medius and glute minimus, as well as the glute maximus. All right, you guys, now for this last exercise, we have got cable glute kickbacks. Now, I just put my foot in a handle here. I lean forward and I kick that heel to the sky and squeeze my glute. You don't have to go super heavy with these. All right, you guys, for this last circuit, it is a giant set as well, and it is all body weight, you guys. I love this one. So what you're gonna do, the first exercise you guys are gonna do is a Bulgarian split squat, body weight, 30 seconds. each side. You want to make sure that that knee stays stacked over that ankle and all that weight is in your heel. Do a single leg step up on a bench with a tap back. Yes, it's cardio, and you're going to do all the same leg before moving to the other leg. So all right side, and from that one you are going to go right into a step over. So you're going to tap your feet to each side 30 seconds, and then you are going to repeat on your left side. Yes, this is a finisher, a challenge burner, but I promise your toned legs are going to love you after. So you guys, these are the ingredients that I use for my protein waffles. You can make protein pancakes too. I use the Kodak Power Cake Mix. I love these. I get them from Costco, and I just use half a scoop of this. I use a full scoop of Beyond Yourself vegan cupcake batter protein, and then quarter cup of egg whites, and then I add water. I would say add as much as you like for consistency. I like mine to be a little bit runny for when I pour them on the waffle pan. It kind of fills up. If it's too thick, it's like clumpy and it doesn't fill up the full waffle pan. So yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, so I've got my waffle maker here. We use this a lot. Like I said, you can do the consistency however you like. I like mine a little bit runny. I do spray it with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, and I will show you when it's on. Alright you guys, do not mind my dirty waffle maker. We use it so much. So that's what it looks like. Like I said, if I poured all of it on, it would have overflowed. So there's one, and it'll cook another probably bigger one than that. And I will show you guys what I put on it. All right, you guys, so now what do I put on my waffles? So I use Costco's frozen berry blend, and that's probably like half a cup. I put half a cup and I de-thaw in the microwave so it's nice and warm. I've got a whole banana here. Yes, I put a whole banana. This is like, so like I don't know if I was telling you guys, I'm really playing around with how I cycle my carbs and really reading up about nutrient timing. And so I'm having the majority of my carbs after my workout. That's just what I feel my body thrives on. My workouts are a lot better. And then throughout the day I have carbs, but not as much. So I probably have close to 100 grams of carbs here in my meal, like maybe like 65 to 85 grams of carbohydrates here. I don't know, I'll do the macros and I'll post it in here. To be honest, I don't really measure. I just eat what I feel feels good for me. So I have also got Walden's Farm syrup here. Don't be judging how much I put on. The only thing you have to watch out about Walden's Farm syrup is, yes, it's calorie free, but it's got lots of sodium in it. So I usually just put this on top, and then I take my berries and I just dump those on there like that. And then I take my banana and I make it all pretty. Make it all pretty like that. Oh, now that is breakfast, actually, / post-workout of champions here. We're gonna eat this and it's gonna taste so good. And then I'll tell you guys where I've been at, what's been going on. And yeah, enjoy my workout. Let me know if you have any workout requests. Let me know what you think of the workout. Leave your comments in the comment box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified. I feel like I sound like a hillbilly right now. And yeah, you guys, everything that I talked about today too, like reps, sets, tempos, if you're not sure what all those are, you guys can go to my blog on my website. I'll put the links below and I explain everything there. So everything, you're gonna like, what's a superset? What's a drop set? What's a EMOM? What's a Tabata? What's a tempo? It's all there for you guys, okay? Let's eat. My dog, she sits here when I eat or when the kids eat, and she will look at the kids or me and see, she looks to the ground. Drop me some scraps, please, sir. Please, can I have some more? Poor puppy. Poor. All right, guys, I thought I would take you along with the first few bites of this. With this, my daughter's My Little Pony placemat. I thought it was the perfect fit. So, what does this taste like? It does look like it's wrapped in syrup, but it is the berry juice and the syrup. Let's be honest. I like my sauce. All right. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. All right, you guys, now it's time for some real talk. Now that I'm fed, I'm feeling good, and I've got some food on my face. Yeah, so I fell off the face of the earth. No, but it felt like it. I just really went through a dark time, you guys, like really bad. So I just decided to cut off social media. So that's why there's no videos posted. There's no podcast done. I just was going through such a like mental darkness that stuff was making it worse. I have such a perfectionist personality, and I went down the rabbit hole of comparison on top of feeling down already, and it was not good. And so I had to find my way out of that. I had to shut everything off. I had to spend more time with God. I had to think about what I really want to offer you guys. And I was getting so hung up. Oh my goodness, I look like a crazy person right now. It's because I worked out, so my hair is super greasy. Okay, real talk, focus. So I really had to think about, what I was, okay, so I did a course to help me understand how to grow my YouTube channel, of what to offer you guys, of, oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much to like how to use Instagram, how to use Facebook, that it can get so overwhelming that you're like, oh, I didn't do this right, or I didn't take this right, to the point where I can't even create because I'm so worried about doing all these things right and in the right orders and stuff like that. And here's the thing. That's not me. I could sit here and give you a list of the top 10 tips to do your workouts right or something like that. But at the end of the day, that's just not me. And I can do that in such a different way. As still vlogging, but me. And anyway, so I just really got in my head. And it really got in the way of me creating. So that's kind of what's been happening lately. I've really focused you guys on my Fit Club, on all the ladies there. That's, if you don't know, my online gym and home workout programs, meal plans. And I'm really focused on creating content there and workouts and really amazing meal plans, easy meal plans, and tons of workouts. So January, we're going to do 12-week bikini body challenge. That's going to be so awesome. I have so many good workouts. I've been learning so much about building glutes from Brett Contrast. I don't know if I said his name right. Booty by Brett. I bought his book. I followed him for a while now, and I'm learning so much that I can apply in my own programs. So many tips. So I've been applying them on myself, and they're working amazing. So yeah, I'm reading tons of magazines, Oxygen magazines, fitness stuff, researching YouTube, everything. I want to learn as much as I can to give you guys the best knowledge that I can. That being said, just being myself too, not, just being like fun fact Sally. Just being able to show you that I am a mom, I'm a business owner, I'm in the baby stages of growing my online business. It's been hard as hell, exciting, but hard as hell. I'm just getting in the beginning stages of doing competition prep because I compete March 14th. So all these new things that I'm having to learn how to grow my YouTube channel, learning how to do social media, and still, stay grounded and still be careful to not get sucked into the the whirlwind of what everybody thinks that you should be and do and stuff. And so really learning to center myself, taking time, really learning what's important, being able to be open and sharing with you guys is what makes me happy. And it's what you guys respond to most.
more so than, you know, my workout demos and stuff. You guys like to see my life and hear me talk. And so that's what I'm going to create for you, unless you guys ask otherwise. I will do otherwise, but that's all that's going on right now, you guys. My husband's gone away for a couple of days, which I miss him dearly because I don't sleep when he's gone. I went and got my youngest at midnight and brought her into bed because I couldn't fall asleep. So I'm excited for him to get home. Like I said, I meet with Helen Thursday for posing and diet. And then I really want to take you guys through that whole journey. This will be my second time competing in the wellness division. It gets brought to Canada through in the CPA 2020. So that's where I'll be starting back at the beginning. If I go ABBA or CBBF, I think, I get to go to nationals. I can do nationals. And so she thinks I should try both. So that won't be until June. But that's all that's going on right now, you guys. I just wanted to give you an update. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Give that recipe a try. Let me know what you think. It is one of my favorites. I have it every time I work out. Every time I come home, I have it. It stains my mouth. I've got berries everywhere. And I will put up the macros. It's not as bad as I thought it was. It's almost 500 calories or 400. It was only 62 grams of carbohydrates or 68. And I thought it was way more than that. So that's how important it is to use MyFitnessPal, because sometimes you think you're eating way more than you actually are and you're not hitting your certain macros. I mean, I hit my macros with this meal, but I thought I was like eating way more than I was until I put in MyFitnessPal. So that's just a little tip for you if you're really trying to enhance your workouts and your goals. Use MyFitnessPal. Try cycling your carbs around your workouts, your highest amount. I can't eat tons before my workout. It ruins my workout. I can't eat on an empty stomach. That being said, that's why I like to work out in the afternoon, later morning. Now, if you don't have that option, at least have a protein shake or some BCAAs before you do your workout. Never work out on an empty stomach with no food, fasted. Your body will burn a little bit of fat, but guess what? It's going to burn all that hard muscle that you tried to put on, that you've been trying to put on. So always have something in your belly. That's why I like the afternoons, because I've had some food throughout the day. Even if I haven't eaten for like a couple hours, I know that I'm gonna feast after I work out. So that's all, you guys. I'm waiting for my kids to come home, and that's about it. That's it for this vlog today. I will see you guys soon. Bye.